Welcome to EEZBOOK. We're excited to guide you through our platform. If you've already registered and have a login ID, you're one step ahead. Simply head over to the EEZBOOK tab to start exploring and making your bookings hassle-free. To click the control panel, go to Setup. Click to System Setup. Click to User Management. Click to reset password. Type username. Please type your password and then retype it. Your password must contain a minimum of 8 characters, including special characters. Users can view their password by clicking on the eye icon tab. To click Update Password,